Check it out. What's this? Are we zooming in correctly? Yes, we are. We have fixed the bug in the code, and it was just 1 or 2 lines, depending on how you want to count lines of code. And it's working properly. The rendering is what we expect. Now, this stretching we'll fix later, but that's not a problem because it's behaving as I would expect, right? We still need to polish the renderer some more, but we're observing the intended effects right now. This is where we screwed up right here. The magnitude of VP1, viewport 1, we were calculating that wrong. We have fixed it right here. It was complete trash. I can't believe I made such a stupid mistake. But we fixed it. This is what we did in the previous tutorial. This is my rant to make sure that in no uncertain terms, you know what that code is supposed to do. This is what we did in video 107. You can get the snapshot right here. You have been on this playlist. Like and subscribe.